Is PAYRIB actually fake or real? Find out in this video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be talking about this website they call PAYRIB because I am one of the victims. We want to know whether it's actually fake or real. Stay put. Okay, this particular website, I saw someone talking about it. People are talking about PAYRIB, so I said let me try that. And when you sign up in this website, they'll give you $7, and you sign up with an email address. And wanting to know a site that is not legit is when you sign up with your email, there's no confirmation in your email, like an inbox. They will not text you an inbox to confirm that email. That is one thing to know a fake website. So when you sign up, they will give you $7 because this PAYRIB, this app is sorry, not app, it's a website. This website is website you do review, you do some tags every 24 hours. You come to the app, do some review, do some tags that you'll be able to be doing until you accumulate $100. When you reach $100, that is when you will do what? Withdraw. I know how the thing was sweet. You withdraw it to your direct local account. I was so happy. So I signed up. They gave me $7. So I was doing it every 24 hours. That is how I was accumulating dollar, dreaming of my $100 to cash out. Even before I sign up in this website, I try to shake things about the website. I read reviews and I saw positive reviews and negative reviews. Positive review, some are from my country. That is the reason I said, oh, let me try this website and know whether it's truly legit. So that was how I signed. And when you reach $70, when you reach $70, the token they will start giving you, it's very, 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 very small. That they can even give you out of the review that you do for that day, you can even get like $0.00. So there is no how you will reach $100. There is no how you can reach $100 in that app. So when I reached 80, that was when I stopped, because there is no how you can reach $100 at all. You can't even withdraw that money. So the app that I have used and I've experienced that, so PAYRIB is not legit. Stay away from it. Don't waste your data, don't waste your time on this website. Okay, thank you guys.